There is no time to waste, there's a lot of things that need to be done. No slacking, no walking, keep walking, no stopping, no playing, keep moving, no steady dealing. I get busy cause I know go fit afford to get lazy at all at all. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. I work hard for the money, it is not funny, cause I got to say it's not easy at all at all. If I tell you say easy on a setup, so now all you got to do is press up and get up. You got to always continue to try. You got to try to.
This is a wooden scissor holder. It was used to grab and lift a sledgehammer and a weighing scale, just for application simulation. To make something like this you'll need two pieces, as demonstrated here, with corresponding dowel holes. Insert a dowel through the holes to movably connect both pieces, and you can then add contrivances to prevent the moving piece from sliding off the dowel. You can also add jaws for better grasping and clamping.
Então, pessoal, vai